Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a fall inspired mani with some totally dip powders. So these are the dip powders that I'll be using today, and I'll also be using some activator as well. So I've already applied my tips on both my nails, and now I'm applying my Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail, and then I sprinkle the clear dip powder on my nails. Then I apply base to the whole nail, and then I sprinkled the clear dip powder on my nails. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Also, if you like to see my first impressions and unboxing of some totally dipped dip powders, which also includes the fall collection, I'll link it in the cards. So now on the pinky nail, I placed some base on the nail bed area, and then I sprinkled the nude dip powder on the nail. I did 2 layers of that. Then I place some activator in a glass. A little goes a long way, so don't waste it. Now using my acrylic brush, I place it in the activator and then into the Carnival apple dip powder. Immediately I knew it was a mistake to do that, but I kept going. I either forgot or didn't realize that this dip powder is a glitter, but it is also a matte dip powder, which means that it would be a little difficult to get a neat finish with this. There is no clear dip powder mixed with the glitter. It's a colored dip powder mixed with glitter, and that means it's way harder to maneuver, but I kept going. But I'll stick to using this dip powder like usual dip powder with just base and dipping it into the dip powder. Anyway, I wasn't really sold on the design yet when I was finished, so I decided to apply some gold glitter just to make it show out a little, and I still wasn't sold. So I went ahead and encapsulated the nail. Then I activated the nail and I filed it off camera. Now this is after filing. I didn't do too much filing because I just knew that I wasn't going to like it, but I just thought I'd show you guys. So I just applied some top coat so you all can get a better idea of how it looks. And I even placed some cuticle oil as well, and when I saw that I said no, I didn't like it. So if y'all are ever on the fence about a design, do one of the nail completely to see how it looks instead of wasting time doing all of the nails and hating the design. So I decided to use burnt sienna and Kira for this design. Now starting on the pinky nail, I applied base to the whole nail, and then I dipped my finger into the nude dip powder. Then I applied base again, and then I sprinkled the burnt sienna on the tip area to create my ombre nail. This color is really gorgeous and the shimmer is so amazing. I really like this dip powder. Also, if you like to purchase from Totally Dipp'd, you can use my code Cherael15. I'll have everything in the description below, so check out that. Then I did another layer and started with the nude dip powder this time. Now on the ring finger, I decided to do a chevron half moon nail design, so I applied base to the whole nail. And then I angled my finger into the nude dip powder. And then I sprinkled the burnt orange dip powder on the nail bed area. I did another layer after this. Now on the middle finger, I applied base to the whole nail, and then I sprinkled the nude dip powder on the nail. I did 2 layers of that. Now in a container, I placed the nude dip powder and some of the burnt orange dip powder and swirl it together to get a marble effect. Then I placed base on the nail and laid my finger into the marble. On the index finger, I apply base to the whole nail and then I place my finger into the orange dip powder at an angle. And then I poured the nude dip powder on the nail bed area, and then I did another layer after this. So as you can see, the nails look a bit white, so I just placed some activator on the nail to bring back some color, and then I waited for it to dry. Then I encapsulated the nails with some clear dip powder. I did a few layers to build the nails, but I only showed one layer. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and if you'd like to see my filing routine, I'd link it in the cards. Now I apply some Model 1's gel top coat and I cured for 30 seconds. When the nails cool down, I apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!